Sorry.
This keeps getting worse.
You may be wondering, how did this happen? It all started with a tiny seed.
We can win this.
And get that trophy. I'm famous! Famous! Everyone loves my watermelon!
We need watermelon seeds.
But these flowers are pretty.
These seeds grow very large watermelons.
We need those!
Absolutely. This spot gets lots of sunlight.
Perfect for our giant watermelon!
That's way too deep. That's way too deep.
Uh-oh. Now we wait.
How long?
A few weeks.
A few weeks.
What? Where is it? It should be huge already.
It only been one day.
Grow faster.
Lily! Lily! That's too much water! No more water today.
Okay. Just a little more. He'll never know. That's a lot of water.
Way too much.
It's growing!
It finally worked!
We did it!
Our watermelon is growing!
Look at it grow!
It's getting bigger every day.
It's so cute!
Our watermelon has arrived!
Grow big and strong. We believe in you.
Are you talking to a watermelon?
Oh no!
The birds! This will scare the birds away.
It needs more style. That's not working.
I can see that. Bird incoming!
Go, go, go!
Birds don't like shiny things.
It's working! We saved our watermelon!
Now it can grow safely.
That's enormous!
That's enormous! We grew it ourselves.
We might actually win.
We're gonna be champions!
Uh-oh.
Too big? The wagon is tiny.
I
Well, that's not gonna work.
We'll build our own wagon. Best idea ever!
Best idea ever!
It might actually work.
It looks amazing!
Push!
I'm pushing!
Harder!
We did it!
Great job, everyone! It is perfect!
But there was one problem.
We are really doing it!
We are going to win! No! No!
Oliver! Help me!
I told you not to overwater it!
This is crazy!
Hold on, Lily! It's a giant watermelon!
Sorry!
This keeps getting worse!
What is that? It's enormous!
We made it!
I can't believe it!
This is unbelievable. It's the largest watermelon today. It's the Live-Away. The winner is Oliver and Lily. And the winners are Oliver and Lily.
We did it! We're champions!
Everyone smile! Cheese!
I can't wait!
I hope it tastes good.
It looks amazing!
This is delicious! Best watermelon ever! Maybe that's enough.
Just one more! I think I ate too much.
I warned you. Feeling better?
Much better.
Good. We really did it.
We won! I have an idea.
Oh no!
Let's grow an even bigger one!